Hello there. Quick guide on how to put these face shields together. You take your smallest piece, slide it into the horizontal slits, get it in the middle, same thing on the other side. Okay, that's the basic shape. Take your strap, go down, and then up on the vertical slits. Pull it through. Same process on the other side, down and then up. And you'll be able to size that to whatever you want. Last step's a little tricky. Face shield. There's holes in the face shield and little things that stick out on the strap. First two in. The last two, I found it's easiest to try to flatten out the band behind the shield and then poke each of these prongs through. So flatten out the band, get it through. And there you go, there's your face shield. Thanks for doing what you're doing and stay safe.